Okay, good morning all. Let's take a quick look at the fundamentals we have about today before we look at the technicals. And overall pair that we're looking to trade mostly for today. So we'll look at the already past news that we have. To save time, we'll just quickly look at the high impact news. So firstly, we have around 2:30 the balance of trade for the Australian dollar. It came out positive. Right, that gives the Australian dollar a little strength. Right, and the China service PMI also came out positive, very, very positive. So I want to go with JPY still being strong in that we saw whatever affects the China yen also affects the Japanese yen in a nutshell, since they're in the same market. All right, so then we have the CHF coming out, the employment rates coming out as forecasted, so there is no impact to say. And around 7 a.m. here, we have the industrial production for Germany coming out positive. So we'll take a few look at a little medium impact news. So we have GDP housing index coming out positive. That was what pushed the pound is up earlier on around the opening of the London section. But as time progresses, we are seeing a drop in the global construction PMI for the euro, which is also in Germany. So also, although this is low impact news, but as long as the euro, I have to take it into cognizance. We have the global construction PMI as well coming out negative. So for me today, euro is already weak. Euro is weak, and I want to see a drop in most of the euro pairs, especially euro USD, as long as the dollar will come out positive later in the day. But for now, my bias for euro is weak. Okay, then we'll be seeing in 25 minutes time. The most important news for the pound today, the construction PMI. Okay, so we'll be hoping this to come out negative to make the pound weak as well, to watch out for GUSL. Okay. Afterwards, we don't have much news. The next news is coming up 1:30, which is my main focus for today. I recall I said yesterday that I'll be looking to buy USD card. All right, so for that to play out, I am expecting for we'll be focused most on this high impact news. Okay. So first of all, the unemployment rate, I want it to increase to around 5.2. Also the unemployment rate, okay, increasing to 5.2. Then employment changes also decreasing to about 10,000. All right. If that happens, then participation rate also reducing. Now this is based on some of the bank forecast I saw earlier on today. Okay, these were based on bank forecast. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, for bank forecast from 4 major banks for the Australian dollar. Okay, and we have a few banks also looking. So the first one is TDS. They're looking at employment to fall by 12,000. So TDS is saying they want to sell, and also the wage growth to fall to 5.5%. Right. Okay. I think that's coming. Okay, unemployment rate to rise to by 5.5%. So that is TDS strongly being negative. Then we have the NBF. Okay, the job market has been extremely strong with headcount expanding by 350,000 over the past 6 months. So since these are signs of, so in a nutshell, summary is these guys are thus we expect more modest gain in the coming months, starting with 10K results in March. So NBF is saying buy. So yeah, NBF still feeling card is going to be strong, but these four banks that is analyzing now, and for me, out of these four banks, I take Citibank, CIT into more cognizance. So TDS is saying sell, NBF is saying buy, but I think CIBC is also saying sell. So we expect a modest decline in employment, minus 10K. Then their wage rates to move by unemployment rate by percentage by 5.5% pace. Citibank is also saying after a few months of very strong employment gain, we expect a modest 10K drop. All right, so having said this, I think card is going to be weak by that 130. Now, what will make it more beautiful is if the initial jobless claims is going to go down and dollar becomes positive. If that happens, um, we'll be seeing USD CAD doing a very massive buy today. So my best pair for the today is USD CAD buy. Okay, beautiful enough. We also have the IV PMIs for CAD around 3 o'clock. Right, if that comes at -2, USD CAD will buy very well as forecasted. Right, I'm even going to hold the buy all the way to tomorrow. So looking at the chart here, this was where we saw it yesterday, and it's still ranging around that zone, around this other block. So my stop loss still remain around 1.399. My TP remains 1.36. Okay, so that's my major outlook for today. Having said that, we just take a quick look at the gold CME futures. Okay, the CME flash group for gold futures market noted traders scaled back their open interest by 285 contracts on Wednesday, reversing two-day build-up scenario. Volume followed suit and shrank. So based on this, if we continue reading, gold charted an inconclusive sections on Wednesday amidst shrinking open interest on volume, exposing the resurgence of some range bound theme in the very near term. The underlying bullish tone, however, appears unchanged, and precious metals continues to target 2020 high of 207 per ounce through March 8th. Now, this is their analysis, but based on the fact that a lot of persons are taking profit, I expect the market to do some massive pullback before the buy continues. So, personally, I'll be looking to sell good. Right, I'll be looking to sell good personally, even though it's ranging right now, but I am still to the sell side. Okay, so I don't mind the market dropping to 2000, my first take profits, and 1950 as my second take profits. My bias for gold is a sell. So I'm just taking a look at two pairs today. Here's the card buy and possible good sell at during the afternoon time. Okay, so I think I would stop the recording now, and or let's just continue the discussion today. Let's see. So those are my own outlook. Now that doesn't change the fact that my outlook for GU still remains the sell. So we'll be waiting for the next news if it comes out negative, and EU. I think EU sell has already started. So these all picked it from yesterday. For those of us that picked the EU sell, it's already dropping, and I think it will soon approach our first TP, which is 1.08. It's already dropping to that zone. We also want GU. So GU, we expect GU to come out negative to 1.23. But I'd rather buy USD CAD. today because I have more certainty that the unemployment rate is going to increase and open jobs employment number is also going to reduce. Okay, so if you have any question or contribution, you can just simply unmute yourself and ask. Okay, I'll start with Joseph. You can go ahead and unmute yourself and ask any question or contribution or any pair you want us to take a look at or what your bias is for the day.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Actually, I see gold maybe go up back to around the last high, that's 2030, before the drop.
Okay, before the drop, okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's I think markets are 2015 already. Markets are 2015
now.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's just
Okay,
my
not a bad,
outlook.
not a bad idea though. Not a bad idea. Okay, then I'll come to Mr. Femi. What's your outlook for Euro USD and GU?
Yeah, morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah, we are seeing like the euro. I think we are on the right path because even if you look at the euro on 4 hours, we're at that 0.916. We should be looking out for head and shoulder at that area. So once these 4 hours can close under 0.900, then we should expect that move, as you have first earlier stated.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay,
so
Buddy,
I'm seeing sell opportunity on that euro.
Okay, what's your take profit? What's your take profit?
For the euro, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be looking at the I think around 0.0700.
Okay, that's good. I don't mind exiting at 1.08 though. That's my first take profit. Then on Friday, yeah, we can be seeing 107, yeah, or 1075 on Friday if the NFT becomes a positive.
Okay, I think that 0.080 is okay
for today.
Yes.
All right, not bad. Babi, what are you looking at? You can unmute yourself and contribute. Then if you can't, if your network is poor, you can simply...
I don't know that you say Barbie now or Barry. I don't know.
Barry.
Okay.
Barry.
All right. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, just two things. First is that gold is it CME you call it? Where you click the link from, it's not in this group. Like you click the link to access the direct news. I don't know if you can
Yes, actually. Okay, I'll forward it then. I actually got the link from Forest Street.
Yes, I know it's Forest Street, but it's like you already have the link in the group where you just click and it takes you to that particular.
Yeah, the group is also like it's still Forest FS Street group. Look at it here. Just search for FS Street Forex News, you get it.
Okay, right. They have the link to all these things, so you don't have to go to their site and search. Okay, that's good. Thank you. I'll look that up now. All right, so I think I'll be joining you on USD CAD today because I've also looked at the setup technically, and it's looking like a zone that market has created reversal on the H4 from what I can use here. And the first point of call for me will be around 1.353. 1.353. because there's nothing. That's like the first take profit.
See,
Otherwise,
the prefer, you're right.
yes. Otherwise, from there up until 1.36, there's nothing holding the market from moving.
No, nothing. So that's why my first TP is around 1.36.
Yes, so there's nothing stopping it from there. So I will just keep eyes on this thing. Now GUCL is not looking so promising based on these mixed figures on the pound.
Yes.
And the level where it is. Yesterday, for once, I was expecting that they will break below 1.24 or break above 1.25 completely on Wednesday. Or the market don't breaks out on Wednesday. I find it difficult between Wednesday. Maybe they are waiting for NFP. So I'll just leave GU alone today.
Okay.
I'll focus on that USD card for today.
All right. All right then.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. We have Mrs. Joel. So what are you looking at?
Hello, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
I'm looking at this USD JPY. I'm leaving this gold and this EU.
Okay. What are you looking at to do? Buy or sell?
That USD JPY is sell.
Yes, I think JPY is actually strong, but I would rather want to sell other JPY pairs. Like yesterday, we talked about GJ sell and it sold. All right, EJ sell as well. So I would rather stay on those ones.
Which one? I didn't join those ones.
I'll just pick other JPY pairs to sell instead of USD JPY. Because the problem is, yes, if the dollar comes out positive later today, the market will start to range. You understand? It will start to range and not drop. So I'd rather stay on other JPY pairs. Yes.
Okay.
So for me, Euro JPY is still very good. Okay, then another good sell will be CAD JPY, and it sold very well yesterday. So I hope if CAD comes out negative, it's going to continue selling. So you see, when you're picking pairs, you pick weak pairs against strong pairs. So since JPY is still strong, at least we analyzed it yesterday, it was still strong. All right, so if CAD comes out weaker, trust me, it's going to drop to 96.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I will look at it.
All right, no problem. Anomaly IK. You can unmute yourself and contribute.
I'm currently in a very busy place, but I'm trading up to 5 pairs. Euro JPY.
Okay.
But just give me some
Euro JPY.
Yeah, for a buy.
For a buy, okay. That's why I told her not to sell. All right, no problem. All right, no problem. King K. King K, what do you have for us today?
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
AUD USD. I'm looking at
AUD USD.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm looking at the 1 hour bullish order block.
Okay. For buy?
Yeah. The 1 hour.
Okay.
Then I don't know if you have.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I don't know if you have set up for index like USD dollar index.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
I do. It's here. Yeah, DXY.
Yeah.
This is my DXY chart. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, this is my DXY chart. For me, it's at a key zone that it should buy from. Right after breaking this low. After breaking the last low, I think the market structure here, more of a buy for me. I just need the fundamentals to confirm it. I don't mind buying back to 103. So that's why I want to stay away from buying AED USD. Okay. I want to stay away from buying it. For me, that's my opinion.
Okay.
But if you're buying, just set a very tight stop loss. A very, very tight stop loss below the last low there. Yesterday's low, 0.667.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, Darlington, what do you have? What are you looking at? You can type if your network is poor. You can type in your opinions on the group.
Good morning. I can't that's my one big challenge. I have Telegram. But I'm still holding my position from yesterday, GBP USD.
So okay, that's good. I'm holding mine too. It will make more sense if the incoming news comes out negative. The next incoming news comes out negative. It will drop the whole of today. That's by 9. That is in 6 minutes time. Funny enough, just in 6 minutes time. So watch out for that. Okay, so what do we have left? We have Philip. What are you looking at? Philip, are you with us? Okay, I'll catch you while Philip is trying to unmute himself.
I'm still holding my GU cell.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, still open dollar should just move up small.
All right, no problem.
All right, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yesterday I bought USD card, but I left around the evening because I do not want to leave it running while I wanted to close for the day. But I'm looking to join again when after the maybe like after a few hours I'll check what the news is giving us, and then I'll see if I'll join again.
Okay. Anamali said he's holding Euro JPY buy, GBP JPY buy, and USD card buy. For me, I will go with only USD card buy and the gold sell and possible sell on gold, but he has a sell limit on 2027, which makes sense. That's a good area to sell from. So for your two trades, I'm going with just two, USD card buy and gold sell. All right. I still want to be on the sell side on GBP JPY and Euro JPY. I sold them yesterday. I'm hoping for a continuation sell today. Okay. I hope Mr. Normally is hearing me. That's my bias, though. It's not compulsory.
Mr. Wilson, so hold on. So are you saying you're waiting to sell the gold at this USD card in the afternoon?
Yes, USD card is buy in the afternoon. Yes.
Buy.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So at this junction, we always remember to use proper risk management and don't over leverage your account. Okay, so
I've collected my TPO on my USD JPY buy. I've capped it now.
That's good. Yes. Okay, makes sense. All right, see you guys tomorrow.